Hi, my name is Dr. Philip Roth, and I'm the chairman of Pediatrics at Staten Island University Hospital. And I am pleased to announce that we will be giving a session at the upcoming Staten Island Economic Development Corporation Symposium at the Hilton on September 27th between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. The title of our symposium is Raising Healthy Families in the 21st Century. As parents out there, I'm sure you're finding that there are more and more visits to go to, more and more immunizations listed by an endless ABC of names. And after a while, it becomes overwhelming, I think, to begin to keep track of all that is going on with your growing child and what it is you need to do to ensure their well-being. And sometimes, if you're a cynic, you may even say, does the whole thing all matter at all, and why am I going to all of these things? So join us at the symposium where we're going to cover a few very timely topics. The first topic will be just the whole notion of healthcare maintenance visits. What is it that's going to be accomplished at every one of those visits? What is the information you should be getting out of those visits for your child's care? And then also, what are the questions you should be asking? Pediatricians, a large part of their role is providing anticipatory guidance, and the information you get will certainly be improved based on the questions you ask. After that topic, we're going to be talking about vaccines or immunizations. Immunizations have been heralded as probably amongst the greatest discoveries in medicine of the modern times of the 20th century. However, there is constant controversy about vaccines. Are there risks? Do the benefits outweigh the risks? And this is an opportunity to really hear what are the benefits your child will gain from receiving these vaccines, but at the same time, some of the benefits that the people around them will receive as well by virtue of your child being immunized. After that, we'll turn to a slightly different area, and that is the topic of autism. Many of you may have read a lot about autism, and clearly the diagnosis of autism has dramatically increased in recent years. And although some of this may come from heightened awareness, there is also a true increase in the incidence of this disorder. So at this session, we hope that we'll answer some of the questions that may be going through your mind about what is it that should raise the suspicion that my child may have autism, and what are the things I need to do about it. And then finally, that will be followed by a presentation on ear infections, otitis media. Again, one of the most common diagnoses seen in pediatric practice, and according to some, perhaps one of the more overdiagnosed conditions. So this is an opportunity to learn more about ear infections, learn about the modern approaches to their treatment, and what the impact of ear infections might be on your child's future development. So we hope you will join us on September 27th, where not only will you hear from a panel of experts, but also will have time to ask your own personal questions and hopefully come away from the session with a sounder approach to the care of your children. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you there.